Breaking out of your wine paradigm can be a little daunting, especially when you're looking at European wines. It's hard to know what's in the bottle and whether it's good or not. Sometimes you need just a little guidance and some information from a pro. And of course, a taste. In this weekly tasting, I want to turn you on to the bold red wines of Italy. I'm going to give you just the right amount of info on 4 top-notch Italian reds that really deliver grande gusto, big flavor. Let's travel from north to south and touch on 4 major wine regions that make some of Italy's best. 3 of these wines are made of grapes that are unique only to Italy, and one of them you might actually recognize. So if you're into trying new things, of course with a little reassurance from the pro, then this one's for you. Weekly tastings are a complete wine experience delivered right to your door. These wines come with my tasting notes, some food pairing recipes, and a quick and fun video where I'll help you taste to get the most out of every bottle. The wines alone are worth having, but as a complete experience, you can't beat this price. Now this is a limited time offer, so be sure to get it while it's hot. And for an additional 10% off the bottom line, be sure to use my one-time discount code. So if you're in the mood for some molto gusto, some big flavor, come on over and join me for this weekly tasting. Cheers.